On this episode, you will see how I took apart an old floor, and I actually did this filming with my basic camera like some time ago already. This building is almost 100 years old, so I found like the second layer, like the original floor, and some part of it was missing. Probably there has been some water damage in the past, and yeah, some interesting stuff came out, like always when renovating an old building or apartment in an old building. So yeah. So these are the boards which I removed from the floor. As you can see here, I have removed almost all of the floor, and with these old houses you always find some interesting stuff underneath. It's really easy to cover some problems with these boards. And here you can see the old floor. Some of it has remained under the new floor, and about half of the old floor has been taken out. So probably it was rotten or something like this. So I will continue removing these boards on the top here. Then I take out these trusses, and finally I remove this old part of the floor. And yeah, and the problem was that in the winter time the floor was really cold, and here you can see the reason why, because there is no insulation under this floor. There is also some plastic wrapping. I don't know, maybe it was so wet that they decided to lay it under the floor, probably. Make it some, I don't know what it is. And this actually it was, they used to make floors like these. The trusses were laid on the bricks, and then on the trusses they laid these old floors. They are quite thick actually, and they left like this. It's like 8 centimeters gap, and under this was sand or gravel or so I removed the old floor and now it's some kind of old soil or something like this. I need to get this stuff out and I have to do some digging near the foundation because I want to insulate it. But now let's do some digging. All this stuff I will throw out from the window to this trailer.